Hello बच्चों, let's read the given question. The question says a parallel plate capacitor with plate area A and separation between the plates D is charged by a constant current I. Consider a plane surface of area able to parallel to the plates and drawn symmetrically between the plates. We need to find the displacement current through this area. So हमें option first given है whether this displacement current is I. Second option है whether it is I by 2. Third option is 2I. Fourth option is 0. So यहाँ पे we need to understand what exactly is the displacement current. So जो displacement current का concept मैक्सवेल मैक्सवेल द्वारा दिया गया था, that is displacement current id is equals to epsilon 0 and d phi e by dt, that is change in electric field, flux due to electric field or into permittivity of free space. So this is what the expression is given by Maxwell for displacement current. So ये expression use करते हुए we will try to find the final answer. So यहाँ पे we can say flux, that is phi, is given by electric field into area. So जो electric field होती है due to plate is given by the formula sigma by epsilon naught, alright, into A. और यहाँ पे area जो हमें given है वो given है considering a plate of area A by 2. So यहाँ पे A by 2 area को consider करते हुए हमें check करना है कि displacement current कितना होगा. alright, so यहाँ से सिग्मा को हम लिख सकते हैं, that is surface charge density को लिखा जा सकता है Q upon A. So this will become Q by A epsilon naught A by 2. So यहाँ से finally we can say जो result हमारे पास आएगा वो होगा Q by 2 epsilon naught. alright, so this is what the value of phi e हमें मिला है, लेकिन हमें ढूंढना है differentiation, इसका आप करना पड़ेगा to get the value of d phi e by dt. So this will become 1 by 2 epsilon naught को तो हम constant बाहर ले सकते हैं. So what we will be left with is dq by dt. And so on further simplification हम कह सकते हैं कि now dq by dt is what the instantaneous current or the conduction current I is. और यहाँ पे therefore we can say जब ये epsilon naught यहाँ पे जाके multiply होगा, so it will become epsilon naught d phi by dt and that will be equals to I by 2. alright, so ये result हमें मिला and this is equals to displacement current. So the answer to the question is option 2. So I hope you understood the solution. All the best.